in liberating strife. Who more than self their country loved, and mercy more than life. America, America, make God thy gold refine, till all success.
One day right there in Alabama, little black boys and black girls will be able to join hands with little white boys and white girls and sisters and brothers. I am free.
You know, when I was in school, we used to sing something like this. Listen here. Oh, beautiful, far spacious skies, far amber waves of grain, far purple mountain majesties. Above the fruited plain. But now wait a minute.